am an engaged citizen, an advocate for community, and proponent of scholarship. I came out to Citizens Academy because as an engaged citizen, I believe it's important to have insight as to what entails our local government, how they go about making decisions, and learning more about the economic development and the opportunities therein for citizens to advocate community. I thought the most beneficial aspect of participating in the Citizens Academy was the insight that it offers and affords us, especially as a young professional, what all it goes behind our local government, the tough decisions that they face on a regular basis, and how they are truly promoting the mission, vision, and values of our community.
A diverse and viable economy, tax incentives for businesses to come here.
I would highly recommend participating in the Citizens Academy because as an engaged citizen, I believe it offers great insight and clarity as to what goes on with our local government and how to stay informed and abreast of the ways we can, as citizens, promote our mission and vision collaboratively as a community.